10 Home Remedies for Cough. Coughing can be caused by climate change, the presence of bacteria and germs in the air, and the viruses around you. Air quality is very poor these days and can damage your throat and lungs. To avoid any permanent or serious damage, you should take proper care while outdoors as well as indoors. Below are some home remedies that can help you get relief from cough. 1. Honey. Honey is an ancient home remedy for cough and also science for its health benefits. According to one study, honey is more effective in treating cough than any other over-the-counter, OTC, drug. Its antioxidants, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe sore throats. It is effective for people of all ages. However, it should never be given to babies under 1 year of age, as in some cases it can lead to infant botulism. Guideline: mix 2 teaspoons of honey in herbal tea or warm water. Drink it twice daily for an effective result. 2. Garlic. Not many people consume garlic because of the pungent smell of garlic, but trust us, it is one of the healthiest foods present in your pantry. Garlic contains compounds with antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of garlic lowers blood pressure and boosts the immune system. Guidelines: roast a clove of garlic and eat it with a teaspoon of honey before going to bed. You can also fry chopped garlic. This will relieve cough and help digestion. 3. Ginger. Ginger is a superfood that can provide relief from many health ailments including nausea, cold, flu and cough. The anti-inflammatory properties of this root relax the airways and reduce cough. According to a 2013 study, gingerol, a chemical compound in ginger, is capable of suppressing airway hypersensitivity, which can cause asthma symptoms, including coughing. Guidelines: drinking warm ginger tea or drinking ginger juice with honey and black pepper powder is the most effective remedy for treating cough. Avoid adding too much ginger to your diet as it can cause abdominal pain and heartburn. 4. Bromelain. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is considered an effective remedy for cough. Several studies have suggested that this enzyme may help suppress cough and release mucus from the throat. Pineapple helps relieve sinusitis and allergy-based sinus problems, which often lead to coughing. In addition, it is sometimes used to treat inflammation and swelling. Guidelines: when coughing, eat a slice of pineapple or drink 250 milliliters of fresh pineapple juice twice a day. Make sure your fruit and juices are not cold as they can increase irritation. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a common spice found in every Indian home and is effective in treating various health problems. Curcumin is the protagonist of this spice and is known for its antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This yellow spice has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat respiratory ailments. Guidelines: put 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and drink it before going to bed. 6. Salt water gargle. Sore throat is a home remedy that is also recommended by doctors. Salt water is osmotic, which simply means that it changes the direction of fluid movement. It can soothe an itchy throat and reduce the amount of mucus in the lungs and nasal passages. It also helps reduce swelling and irritation. This remedy is not for young children as they cannot gargle properly and stop swallowing alkaline water. Guidelines: mix 1/4 teaspoon salt in 1 cup lukewarm water and gargle several times a day for quick relief. 7. Peppermint. Fresh peppermint leaves contain a compound called menthol, which can numb the nerve endings in the throat that is irritated by coughing. Menthol can also help break down mucus and reduce congestion. Guidelines: try peppermint tea 2 to 3 times a day to reduce the problem of cough. You can also use peppermint oil as aromatherapy. 8. Steam. The easiest way to reduce cough is to take steam. Warm air increases humidity in the air and can help reduce coughing and congestion due to cold. Guidelines: you can use a humidifier or take a stream from a hot water pot. Take a cup of hot water and add essential oils, such as eucalyptus or rosemary. Lean over the bowl and place the towel on your head. Breathe steam for 5 minutes. Don't forget to drink a glass of water later to cool down and prevent dehydration. 9. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus essential oil can not only help relieve cough, it can also remove mucus from your lungs. The two most important compounds found in eucalyptus essential oil, eucalyptol or cinyl, are also used in over-the-counter vapor rubs or chest rubs that are known to relieve chest congestion. In addition, essential oils can help reduce inflammation, reduce pain, and reduce muscle tension. Guidelines: mix a few drops of eucalyptus oil and carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and rub on chest and throat. You can also try steaming eucalyptus. 10. Licorice root. Drinking warm tea made from licorice root is also known to be an effective remedy for reducing sore throat. Ayurvedic herbs contain over 300 different compounds, some of which have antiviral and antibiotic properties and can help reduce the problem of sore throat. Guidelines: soak 1 teaspoon powdered root in 250 ml water and boil for 10 minutes. Pour it into a cup and drink warm. The roots are generally safe, but prolonged use can raise blood pressure and cause menstrual irregularities, fatigue, headaches, water retention, and erectile dysfunction. If you care about yourself and your health, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and see the health information in the latest videos and stay healthy.